Welcome to the channel. Here we master tricky words and their meanings. Today we're tackling a word that describes something vague, unclear, or cloudy. Nebulous. It might seem a little tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is nebulous. Let's break it down. First we have neb, which rhymes with web and is the stressed syllable. Next is ya, which sounds like the ya in yummy. Finally, lose sounds like lus in fabulous. Now, let's put it all together. Nebulous. Try repeating after me. Nebulous. Now a little faster. Nebulous. And at full speed, nebulous. Keep practicing, and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Nebulous refers to something that is unclear, vague, or difficult to define, like a nebulous idea or a cloudy sky. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce nebulous and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.